What's up guys, this is, you know who it is because you went on my channel. So I don't really need to say it out, so yeah. Playing a bit of White Noise this time. Fuck you, this game is stupidly scary. 69p, Xbox Marketplace for the 360. This game is just immensely scary, so if you can hear me getting quieter. But, I took the lights off. Right, back. This shit's about to get real scary. This shit's gonna be too scary for y'all. Let's see if anyone's online. Quick join. Ah, there's a guy. Oh, there's a guy. Whoa, there's a guy. Sweet. Oh, it's two guys. Sweet. This game is just stupidly scary. Guys, you should get this. First time I played this, right, at night, me, Scott, Adam and Louis fucking shut our fucking selves. The guy was so fucking scary. It's unreal. Just, this game's immensely good for 69p. Whoever made this game, thumbs up to you. Right. Oh, I'm gonna shit myself because I hate this man. It's like an art gallery. Right. This could be fucking. This shit's about to get real scary. That'll be a good view for you. Hello guys. Whoa, very scary. I see how, like, I'm the leader. Follow the leader, follow the leader. It's like Slender, but a multiplayer version, but the character is not Slender, he's just one scary motherfucker. Once upon a tower. Stay away from that, stay away from that. Egg things. I think it's an egg. I'm not too sure what it is, but I know that it doesn't do good. Look at his face, fucking. He shat himself. Look at him, Mr. Swagalicious. I hear a tape recording. Oh no. Don't go over. No, I just got it and he jumped. I'm staying behind you guys. Do not turn around for me. You're the leader, dude. You're now the leader. Fuck me. You shit me up. Okay. You're scary. Whoa. Fucking, that definitely made my heart jump. That made my heart skip. A beep. Sure that's not the tune, but fucking hell. The egg's in there. Don't want to go in there. No. No, fucking, he jumped out. I mean, I shit myself. I'm not literally shit myself, but bloody hell. Don't go too close to that, dude. You're gonna get your tits bitten. Shame you can't change sensitivity, because this, I think they add this for scarism. Oh shit, bloody footprints. By a gay man's cock. Ah shit, definitely over here. Yeah, over here. Guys, over here. Oh, tape recording. Mine. Guys, did you hear that, dude? I'm fucking proper shitting myself right here. I'm proper scared, man. This is not the game to be playing with your speakers up. And you fucking... I've got my curtain shut. It's proper night time here. Proper dark. Look at the times, fucking 57 minutes past 1. Ah, and it's near Christmas time, so of course it's going to be dark. No, he's over there, you fucking idiots. Don't walk to him. No. Alright. Jeepers, gang. Here he is to solve the mystery. I found him. Sweet Jesus, boy. Right behind me. Gonna creep up on me like this. Okay, I am proper shocked. Is that his face? Oh no, come on. Don't let me go in there. Oh. Don't let me go in there. No, don't let me go in there, I'm scared. No, don't. If he's in here, it's your fucking fault, you invisible bastard. Come on, don't. Ah, good job I'm not leading no more. I'm scared of being the leader. You always seem first. Starting trying to find another shoulder to lean on. I feel like my whole life just got beat on. I'm scared because look, this guy. He's gonna see him, but I'm gonna see him through this guy. So that'll be real scary. That guy's. It's either there's a tape recorder nearby. That guy's breathing very heavily. Well, do you think just they said that they're supposed to solve a mystery, right? Well, why didn't you bring a gun with them, eh? A fucking Spaz 12 to come shoot Spaz 12, fucking 7 Spaz 12 shotgun shells to his face. He will not survive. It's either an egg or tape recording, mate. Tape recording. Oh no. We pissed him off. He hid them tapes for a reason. Why are we taking them? I'm fucking scared. Oh no, my light's flashing. Ah, he's over there. Over here we go. Ah, no, he's disappeared now. Ah, no, he hasn't. Disappeared. Now, guys. Oh, if we complete this, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. I can call myself that if I fucking win this. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh, everything's gone black. No, 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 no. Come on, we can do this. Oh, come on. Everyone else is disconnected. We can do this. Come on. Just look up. No one's there. No one's there. Come on, no one's there. No one's there. We're in a happy world full of leaves and flowers and shit. If I have a nightmare about this dude tonight, I swear down, man, I will never play this game again. I swear down. Not for nobody. Can't believe them guys disconnected. I'm fucking on my own shit scared. I'm actually watching through the camera now because I'm too scared to actually look through my massive TV screen. Oh. I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm extremely glad that that happened. My controller's vibrating like shit. Basically, you can see the control, but you can't feel it vibrating. You can hear it when I tap it against the screen. Fucking, I'm glad I got disconnected. That's. If anyone ever plays this game, make sure they get disconnected. Because when you get disconnected, when you're about to be killed by a monster, that's a good sign. That is not a bad sign about your internet. That is a good sign in life. My controller feels like an overpowered vibrator. I'm so glad I got disconnected, guys. Thank you for watching the video.